a lot of customer interaction, a lot of topics discussed, mainly around, okay, guys, help me in transforming my network, understanding their issue in the network. We have a multiple solution. Basically, we are in a transition area where legacy network, overlay network has to open the door to a new convergent network where a new service based on IP/MPLS is the future. We have the solution to provide them, so very fruitful discussion, and I'm pretty sure we'll open follow-up business discussion in the next weeks. Absolutely, very happy for so far. But basically, clearly, what I see is that we have a big evolution of coherent. So I would say that the coherent, so we are shipping 200G wave. We are ready to launch in 18 months, more or less, 400G, 600, up to 600G wave. So the technology is making a big progress. The challenge now is how to combine the optical network that is evolving so good with an IP network that is also evolving dramatically from an IP processing point of view, and how to help the service operator to basically streamline the network and not having a wall between the two layers. So as Cisco, we are really pitching a strategy of convergence where the two layers are talking each other with a full SDN strategy on top, and being able to optimize resources both in the IP layer and the optical layer. More than this, the challenge now is to understand how to deploy the SDN. Since everyone is marketing SDN, are the service provider ready to adopt this? There are organizational boundaries. So we need to provide not only a clear picture, but also the service, and to help the customer to change their organization, the way, the modeling they are having, and so to deploy effectively the SDN for a multi-layer convergence. We are helping here service provider to transform the current network that is an overlay of DWDM, SONET SDH, or even OTN, and on top IP/MPLS. 3 layers on the network, very complicated, very expensive, with a lot of bandwidth not optimized. So what we are talking here is to maintain the final service SLA. For example, the final customer wants to keep the SONET A1, the S1, the S3 service, or STM1, but at the same time we want to change and completely transform the network. So what we are discussing here is an innovative way to pseudo-wire the legacy service and transforming the legacy service into an IP/MPLS service, and so providing at the end not an overlay network, not a different network, avoiding all the legacy and converging all the service, either IP/MPLS but also legacy that will stay for the next 10 years in one single IP/MPLS network. This has a huge advantage in terms of CapEx savings, but more than this in terms of OpEx. So instead of managing multiple networks, just one network, all the service associated to that. So we've been interested topic. We have already got multiple projects with a major service provider. We won a major service provider in US that is adopting this technology. We are looking now to market this technology across the MER region, and we are already having a lot of feedback that this is really interesting in transforming the optical industry.